Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Google Sheet tutorial how to bullet points. So as example, I will set the names in here into text, and if you want to create bullet points, first you need to copy for bullet icons. You can go to Google and then type for bullet points. I will open this website and then I will copy this bullet point. You can click copy, go back into spreadsheet, and then you can go to format, numbers, click on custom number format, and then you can paste in here. Don't forget to create add icon, and then you can click apply. Now it will be automatically create the bullet points. You can copy to other area like this, or you can type into example. Okay, you can copy again in here. You can click format, use the number option, and then use this option. Okay, that's it for a basic Google Sheet tutorial, how to bullet point. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.